All right, so when I got these, I didn't have high expectations. $20, only gets you so far on these things. But you know what? These guys are bright. The clips that they're on are actually really strong. I've taken this thing off-road, and those clips have held on through that. I set it up so it's really easy to unclip and charge all four at the same time, and they last long enough that you don't have to do it that often. For me, this works just fine. I don't have a problem with this at all. $20 and it's adds these cool lights. So if you're looking for underglow and you're not trying to spend a ton of money, this is a great alternative. And this setup works for cars, ATVs, whatever you want to put these lights on. That adhesive is really strong. Easy clip on and off. Quad charger for all four of those lights. They're on sale. Pick them up while you can. Thanks for watching and make sure to follow.